How to fix Wi-Fi not working on iOS 17 issue. To solve Wi-Fi not working in your iPhone devices, all you have to do is first head towards the settings app in your device and then scroll down and click on General. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Transfer Reset iPhone, click on Reset and then Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm and then restart your phone. If the issue is still persisting, just scroll down from the top right corner and access your control center, and here make sure that you turn off and then turn on the Wi-Fi after a few seconds. Also enable and disable the airplane mode and make sure you have no Bluetooth devices connected for the time being. After you have done so, the third thing to follow is to go to your settings app again. Click on the general option and scroll down and click on shutdown. Swipe until your phone is shut down and then restart your phone. And after this, you will be able to fix Wi-Fi not working on iOS 17 issue. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.